Microsoft released all these updates from time to time for us to download and install on our PC, be it on the Windows 7, 8, 10 or even the Windows 11. And just so you know, there are some bad things that could happen to your PC if you don't install all these updates as time goes on, and that is exactly what we're going to be covering in today's video, so stick around. It's going to be a short one. So one of the first things you should have in mind is that not all softwares are backward compatible, and if you ask me what that means, most software developers nowadays try to create their newer softwares or try to update their old software so that it will match the current operating system update, so that they can capitalize on the existing processing power of your operating system. So if you try to bring it down to our own simple terms, no one will want to keep updating their apps or their softwares based on the older versions of a current operating system unless it is intentional. So not updating your PC for a while will make you lose some new features on a current application. Secondly, if you don't install Windows updates on your PC, you are indirectly, or should I say directly, limiting your PC or weakening your system security. And that is to say that the updates Microsoft release from time to time don't just come with new features. Obviously they come with those, but they also come with something called security patches, because the rate which people are trying to hack or learning to hack into your computers nowadays is at a very high rate. And let's not forget the good old viruses that we used to have on our PC, because people are still creating viruses out now and they'll keep creating, and I don't think they are going to be stopping anytime soon. So Windows updates tend to release these updates from time to time to help, fight or match up with the current situation of the virus. I don't know. So installing updates on your PC would definitely increase your system security. Thirdly, you lose something called bug fixes, and bugs are a permanent part of every operating system nowadays. So if you're wondering what bugs are, the bugs are simply malfunctions from your PC, or this situation where your PC tends to develop technical issues where they can't run something. You can also call bugs mistakes. That is, there are little faults that Microsoft tend to make as they create these updates from time to time. It's not usually perfect, and they could come with these mistakes that cause some various malfunctions. But thank God there are also something called bug fixes on the Windows update. So not installing your Windows update for quite a long time is going to be depriving your PC from those bug fixes that your system needs. So the next thing you could do right now is to go ahead and press the like button, because it's to show appreciation to this video. So do press the like button and let's move on to the next one. If your PC is way outdated or is way out of date, I don't know how to put this sentence right, but if your PC is way outdated, it could be one of the reasons why your PC hangs or lags, or is not basically functioning the way it's supposed to be functioning. So installing updates on your PC would definitely improve performance on your PC. So guys, not every single time that Windows release their update that you tend to update it, but if you actually want to do like that, you could keep on doing it like that. It's great. It's not a bad thing. Don't just let your PC stay outdated for a very long time. Hope you get it. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, like I said, don't forget to press that like button. It's really important. And if you're new here, you can as well consider subscribing to this channel. It's a tech channel basically. There are tons of videos like this already posted on this channel. You can go ahead and keep watching on any of them right now on the screen, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. I was supposed to hit the screen. Yeah.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy.